Hello, this is Corm coming another video, Genshin Impact on America. What are we doing? We're doing Blizzard Strayer. And I forget what the water one's called. I always forget. It's not Nymph Streams, that's the other one. This is something 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 something. Alright, are we getting this guy? What are we doing? Alright, we got him. Sweet. Pretty quick, pretty easy. I went AFK a little bit, that's why the little thing was off. Almost full stats on everybody, that's awesome. We're really looking for some pieces for our Ayaka. She's one of my favorite characters, I love her. I got her here, here's her weapon, here's her stats. She's 40, like basically 5200. I need to get a little bit better on her crit rate or artifacts. Like starting here, pretty poopy. Like I got defense rolls on that. I mean, I got good energy recharge on her. But look at this crit damage crown, no crit rate, like great energy recharge, no good crit rates. Got a lot of crit energy recharges. I love it. Because her energy recharge is kind of poopy, but I don't know. I'm like, all this stuff is like max energy recharge on her. So look at this energy recharge. Look at 188. That's pretty good. Yeah. But I don't know if it's needed. We need to try to get that up. Her talents, of course, are 989. I love it. So we're trying to just get some good pieces here. Hopefully we get them. And if we get some water pieces, that's good too. I heard that the chick with the umbrella might be a two-handed Claymore ice user, so I'm not sure if we're going to be needing... Oh, damn it. Hopefully she doesn't need defense. Oh, that would suck. I keep deleting all these pieces. Ooh, here we... Oh, nope. No physical damage, Goblet. So we're going to keep on going. Going to try to get this stuff done. But yeah, if you watch that video of that introducing all the new characters in... I wanted to say Louis Harbor, but it's not it. Fontaine. I like the chick with the umbrella. I didn't like how they got rid of the cleavage, though. That was disappointing. I was like, come on, man. Damn China. Being all, we can't show that stuff. It's like, yeah, show that stuff. It's good for the soul. Alright. Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. There we go. Are we gonna stagger him? Stagger, stagger, stagger. Alright, here we go. That went pretty good. How do we do? Alright, under a minute. Pretty good. Or, yeah, 6 seconds. Here we go. Second roll of the day. But yeah, hopefully everyone's out there doing that new adventure. I keep forgetting. I'm gonna have to re-go through it because I wasn't looking for those stupid tickets as I was going along. Oh, this is kind of poopy, but I guess we can save it. So I wasn't looking for the tickets, so I'm gonna have to go there and go through again and look on my little mini map, make sure I grabbed all the tickets. So that's gonna be a pain in the butt. And they don't appear on the big map; they only appear on your little mini map, your radar map, like over here in the top left corner. Alright, here we go. I gotta stop doing that. Stop doing that. Ultimate. Alright, come on. Alright, got him. Alright, here we go. Oh, I should have popped the Miko. Damn it. Oh, come on, that broke the shield. That sucks. Vape him. Sorry, bro. You're dead. Alright, that's not too bad. 5 seconds later. 5 more seconds. Alright, here we go. So yeah, when you're going through there, make sure you try to grab all the stuff. For some weird reason, I was trying to rush through it instead of just grabbing as I go. a same one, but there's a little better crit than the last one. Again, another damn defense, but elemental mastery this time. And defense crown, what everybody wants. Wait, we don't? Oh yeah, no we don't. So, hopefully everyone's having fun out there. Let's see, what is the new thing? Yeah, this thing right here. The Summer Serendipities. I love Klee. She's great. But I don't want her. I don't want her as a player character, though. That's what's so weird. I like playing her, but I don't really want her. I don't want to play her. I don't even want to roll on her. If you haven't got Uella, she is great. Get her. I'm thinking about rolling for this sword, but like I don't have enough. Like I had more credits, but I don't. No more. Don't have the primos for it, so it's like I don't really want to waste them on a stupid weapon. And then the chances of me getting that other weapon, which I already, if I didn't have it, might be good. But I already have it, so I don't want to roll for it. Does that make sense? Because like I already have that. I already have the. Jesus Christ! Just got wrecked. Wrecked him. Damn near killed him. All right, got him. Stagger him. All right. Oh, that one didn't go too well. Oh, running the wrong way too. That's never good. I love the little kitty balls. That sounded creepy. I love the little cat energy spheres. Yeah, there we go. Energy spheres. Yeah. All right, here we go. Goblet. No more defense. What is with this shit? Goddamn. Can we please just get something decent? For the love of God. What does God need with a starship? Alright, here we go. No, get on him. There you go. Melt him. Alright, here we go. Oh, you're gonna kill me. Alright, here we go. Get that Miko up. There we go. There you go. Bop him. We're gonna bop you. Bop, 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 bop. Machine gun time. Alright. Love it. Yay. Oh. Don't like it when the kitty balls blow up in your face. Alright, here we go. This is our last run of the day. Anything. Otherwise, we're going to have to find something. We will find it. And we will. Oh, no. Let's check our stuff. See if we got anything cool. We got anything cool, bruh? Let's check our stuff. Huh. Is she based on HP at all? Let me... yeah. You're... What am I doing here on her? I'm gonna have to check this out. Hold on. She's my girl. I use her for a lot of stuff. And she's sucking too. That's pretty damn good. 12, 7. Didn't roll anything on that. Looks like we hit at HP, but that's what, 25, 30. That's not great though. 9, 18, and it's another 30 piece. That's what is that? That's okay, I guess. Lucky number 7, right? Not really great. What is this shit? She's my... what's her stats? Okay. Okay. What's this weapon? Is this a crit weapon or something? Did I get like a really cool... No, it's crit damage, so I guess she's good. I thought it could be a lot better. But does her talents take HP? Does anything rely on HP? A further attack bonus will be based on the number of... Increases her attack bonus. Okay. Okay. Yeah, nothing seems to be based on HP. Why do I have a shit ton of HP on her? Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Let's go check out our stuff. Shimenawa. Oh, I don't even have a good Shimenawa crit rate helmet. All crit damages. Okay, so let's see. This is 314. This is... Why the hell don't I have that one on? Oh, it's Elemental Mass. Jesus Christ. What the hell? Okay, I'm going to switch to that just to get that 3% more crit rate. I don't care about HP on her. Do I? Do I care? Well, that's pretty good energy recharge. That's a horrible attack. Ah, see? This is another horrible one, but let's see what this one rolls. And here we go, and no, it's all jank. Okay, that's janky. So let's see this one. 12, this crit rate's too good. That one's better, but it's... I need the crit, I need to get her upper crit rate to switch that. So what's this one? 8.9 crit rate. What is... Did I take the... 10, 9, 24. This is... What the hell? Okay, okay. Let's compare. Currently equipped. It's 10. Yes, better. Better. Defense. Defense. Attack. Energy recharge. I'll take the attack over energy recharge. I really... On her, you don't really want energy recharge high anyway because of her freaking weapon. This weapon. You don't want the high rent because it loses the stacks when you hit 100%. So I'm good on having a low energy recharge on her. So that's fine with me. What's this one? Does this one have energy recharge on it? No, it's just a crit rate crown. That's got good attack on it, but HP on it. See, this has got the energy recharge on it. Like, let's go with Pyro, and let's see what my other Pyro ones are. I'm going to try to improve her a little bit. Sorry. No. I wanted a Pyro. So what do we got here? Nope, that is pure junk. That is even worse. What's this one? Yeah, I guess we're stuck with this one. That's fine. What's this Pyro? 7.8. But that's a lot of HP. That's better for Hu Tao. Jesus, did that even hit anything? That didn't hit shit. Alright, we got any crit on any of these? Nope. No good Pyros. Damn. That's some horrible luck. God, you know it's bad when you start checking out your purples, huh? Alright, so it looks like Shimenawa's, we kind of upped her thing a little bit. We don't... 88 and 190. Yeah, that shit. Screw it. She's good. Alright. Let's see, I could do better on her, but right now we're happy with what she is, what she's at. Alright, we were checking some artifacts. We just want to enhance some normies. Well, let's go look to see... do we have... Let's go look for crit crowns, because we wanted a crit rate on her, and there was nothing really that exciting. I probably should not be on... I'm going to get it be off her. Alright, here we go. Now we're gonna go look up crit. Okay, she has crit rate crown. There we go. Now we're at the top. So let's do a compare. She's got attack, crit. That's pretty good. That's a little better crit damage. We don't want to mess with her. She's too good. Wow, that's got some stuff. I don't really care about energy recharge though, so that's fine. You can stay on you. How's this doing? I don't want energy recharge. That is jankier than this one. It's jankier. Bad. 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 14% crit rate damage. That is crit rate, crit damage. Yeah, nothing here that's okay. So we got a lot of horrible crit damage, crit rate, crit damage crowns. Let's see if we got any low level ones here. What do we got down here? Oh, okay. We don't care about the. Ooh, I wish it wasn't those HPs. It'd be nice. Come on, give me something a little better here. We got that attack. That's pretty sick. So far we got this one. That's defense. This one's got HP, which I think I'd rather have than defense. We got any other? Okay. That one's defense too. All right, we're gonna up this one just to check it. All right, here we go. We're gonna up this crown here. This is conductor's top hat. It's not too bad. Usually you can't go wrong with these. And if this, hopefully this, if this hits defense though, or HP, I'm out on it. Okay. And hopefully it's not energy recharge. Maybe it's, hopefully another attack would be good. Do I really want to even up this? Do I even want to up that? Alright. So where's their other crit crown? This is crit damage. Oh, we got a couple of plus fivers. Let's see if they got anything here that's worth it. No. What's this one? Crit rate, crit damage, HP. That's horrible. Okay. Nope, that's a bad one too. I'm gonna take you off the thing. Gonna take you off the thing. Crit rate, crit damage, attack. See, it keeps hitting these three damn things. This one? This one? Not too bad. I think we're gonna go with, well, this one already has defense on it, right? So what's this one? What did this one have? That had elemental mastery also, so we're going to check these two now. And we're going to see if it gets a good fourth stat. So, let's go for fourth stat. Good fourth stat. I probably should be see, did it again. Okay, I want to just throw these pieces into these other pieces, man. It's kind of pissing me off. It's like GTFO, man. I'm not happy with you. What is this shit? What did I just do? Did I screw something up? I think I did. Oh, I went to goblets. That's what dirt. Alright. So we got to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to throw you into this. No, wrong one. Was it this hat? Alright, here we go. With this hat. Well, this one already has elemental mastery. But this one has HP. But do I have a good masks? I already have a crit masks. This one's actually not too bad. This one could be better. This one could be better. I'm gonna do this one. Here we go. Anything, if it hits defense, we're out of here though, and we're done for the night. All right, we hit crit damage. with low 5.5. Sad, but not bad. Not bad. Okay. Here we go. Now we're gonna start doing the hinky jinkies, as we call it. The hinky jinkies. Here we go. I'm gonna just throw. Oh no, I'm not gonna throw those in there. All right, what do we got? What are you? You are horrible. You're horrible. Defense, defense. Jesus, what did I do? What is with these defense pieces? Yeah, I'm gonna throw you in there too. You're fit for the pit. All right, enhance. Hopefully I get double. Double, 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 double. Damn it. Well, we hit. That's sad. So 20, 40, 60. Jesus. We hit Elemental Mastery 3 times. Jeez. How's that gonna do? Just one? I'll use you. I don't care. What are you? What are you? Energy recharge on you? Yeah, you're not even that. You're a defense piece. I don't care. Alright, Alright, there we go. Come on, give me a ×2. Alright. If this hits crit damage, we'll be happy. If it doesn't, it's gonna go down in the flames as a horrible piece. I guess I'll save that. That's... What is with these pieces? They're all decent. But no, I'm not. Alright, there we go. And it's gonna go... BAM! Alright. Let's compare it to what we have now. So right now we have HP. We don't care about attack. Don't care about... So we're going to get a better Elemental Mastery and a little bit more crit. I think we want that Elemental Mastery. I wonder how that's going to affect us. We do more vape comp on her anyway, so maybe that Elemental Mastery will help compared to the attack bonus, but we're going to see. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll be back after these messages. Hit that like and subscribe.